and doing so well. Today I am gonna show you uh, email email that's you can create instant. If you need instant work or instant necessary, you can create it instantly within in 30 minutes, just in 30 minutes, not a huge time. You don't need to wait for receiving messages or back messages. Let's start the today's application or on the Liberty University. This university is famous for this type email. First of all, as usual, after searching liberty.edu, you have to you need to go apply now, then select online, then bachelor, then select from anything from there. I'm selecting this one. Okay, save and continue. Then you need to put your school name, select anyone from here. I'm selecting this one. Then attended, select anyone. I'm selecting this one. The name, from this side you'll got the information of a person of email. Then put the name, then select it no, and select it also no, and select yes. Then here also put the name of school simply, then select yes, then save and continue. Then here you need to put an email address. Copy your email address and phone number. This phone number is important for taking a code, that's why I am going this side. You can use free temp number from there. I'll give the information of these sites about number and the information sites. Then yes, then this is all okay. Then the street, then the city, copy from there, paste here. The state is Florida. Then the zip code, then mail, then the birth date of your March 13 2000. You can select anything, but you must need note this thing. This is March 13 2000. It will be need for creating whole email. Then select white, then social security number. It's also important for creating whole email. So after pasting here, you need to note it, then don't need to do touch anything. Okay, then select alumni, I read and select yes. Then take a text for the number. From the number, go here, and that's the code from the Liberty University, and paste it and continue. See, you already submitted your application. Now if you don't want to actually wait for the mail, you want it instant, just click here, claim your account. Then that's important, that also note it. Then last name you already paste here. Then the birth date, March, you select here also, March 13 2000. It will be 2000. Then the social security number, that's why I noted them in my notepad. Then continue. That email is too easy to creating, everyone wants it, that's why. So copy your password, it's up to you which password you want to giving, and it's okay, and claim account. Finally you did it, and after only 15 to 20 minutes you can log in and use this mail for your work. So after creating this, you need to paste it here, and also with your password. Don't forget to copy it. If you don't copy it, maybe you can't log in the mail or can't use the mail. So that's why you need to log in, you need to copy it and paste to your notepad. And that's the full process of creating this video. I hope this video is helpful to you all guys, and stay with us, and thanks for watching the video.